Ola Electric, examining its future in India. In recent years, the Indian electric vehicle (EV) sector has witnessed a remarkable surge in both interest and investment. One of the most talked about companies in this space is Ola Electric, which is preparing to file for its initial public offering (IPO). As India's first EV company to venture into the public market, Ola Electric's IPO is anticipated to be a significant event in the Indian stock market landscape for 2024. This article delves into the intricate details of Ola Electric's journey, its positioning in the EV sector, and whether it holds promise for future success in India. The rise of Ola Electric. Ola Electric was founded with the ambitious vision of transforming mobility in India. The company's core mission is to create a profound societal impact through electric mobility. The Indian government has taken steps to support the growth of EVs by allowing the establishment of EV charging points across 69,000 petrol stations. With more than 200,000 Ola electric bikes already on the roads, the company has established a significant presence in the market. Ola Electric's impending IPO has generated considerable buzz. On one hand, investors are enthusiastic about the potential revolution in the Indian EV market. On the other hand, there is growing concern over the substantial losses reported by Ola Electric and other EV companies in the sector. In fiscal year 2022, Ola Electric reported a loss of 784 crore rupees, which escalated to 1,472 crore rupees in fiscal year 2023. The losses continued into the first quarter of 2024, amounting to 267 crore rupees. Despite these financial challenges, Ola Electric remains optimistic about a successful IPO, prompting a closer examination of the company's business model and market positioning. Understanding the EV market in India. To evaluate Ola Electric's future prospects, it is essential to understand the broader context of the Indian EV market. The market for electric two-wheelers in India is evolving rapidly. Several factors contribute to this transformation, including government incentives, growing environmental consciousness, and technological advancements. The key players in this market include Ola Electric, Hero Electric, Ather Energy, and TVS, among others. 1. Government support. The Indian government has been actively promoting electric mobility through various policies and incentives. The Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles (FAME) scheme provides subsidies for electric vehicles, which has spurred demand. Additionally, the National Electric Mobility Mission Plan (NEMMP) aims to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles and foster the development of a robust EV ecosystem. 2. Market dynamics. The Indian EV market is characterized by a mix of domestic and international players. While domestic companies like Ola Electric and Hero Electric are prominent, international firms such as BYD and Tesla are also making their presence felt. The competition is fierce, and companies must navigate challenges related to technology, cost, and consumer acceptance. 3. Technological advancements. Advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and vehicle design play a crucial role in the EV sector. Companies investing in research and development (R&D) to enhance battery performance, reduce costs, and improve vehicle features are better positioned to capture market share. Ola Electric's business model and financials. Ola Electric's business model revolves around vertical integration, which is crucial for controlling costs and maintaining quality. The company's strategy involves handling multiple aspects of the value chain, from raw material procurement to manufacturing, sales, and after-sales services. 1. Vertical integration. Vertical integration allows Ola Electric to maintain control over various stages of its operations. This approach encompasses raw materials. While Ola Electric is not fully in control of raw material procurement, it has invested in securing a stable supply chain for critical components like batteries. The global supply of raw materials such as lithium and cobalt is dominated by a few players, primarily in China. This poses a challenge for Ola Electric, as it needs to secure these materials at competitive prices. Research and development. Ola Electric has made substantial investments in R&D. The company focuses on developing battery technology, vehicle design, and manufacturing processes. By investing in these areas, Ola Electric aims to enhance product performance and reduce costs. Manufacturing: Ola Electric operates a large manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu, with a current production capacity of 1 million units per annum. The company plans to expand this capacity to 2 million units by next year and eventually to 10 million units. This ambitious expansion reflects Ola Electric's commitment to scaling its operations to meet growing demand. Sales and distribution: Ola Electric handles its sales and distribution in-house, which allows the company to maintain a direct relationship with customers and control the entire sales process. Charging network: the establishment of a robust charging infrastructure is essential for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Ola Electric is investing in building a comprehensive charging network to support its customers. After-sales service: Ola Electric manages after-sales services internally, ensuring that customers receive consistent and high-quality support. To financial performance: despite its efforts, Ola Electric has faced significant financial losses. The company reported a loss of 784 crore rupees in fiscal year 2022, which increased to 1,472 crore rupees in fiscal year 2023. These losses highlight the challenges associated with scaling up operations and achieving profitability in the highly competitive EV market. Market position and competitive landscape: Ola Electric's position in the Indian EV market is influenced by several factors, including its competitive strategies and market dynamics. To assess the company's prospects, it is essential to compare it with other key players in the industry. 1. Ola Electric versus Hero Electric. Hero Electric is one of the leading players in the Indian electric two-wheeler market. The company has a strong presence and a diverse product lineup. While Ola Electric has made significant strides in terms of technology and innovation, Hero Electric's established market presence and extensive distribution network give it a competitive edge. 2. Ola Electric versus Ather Energy. Ather Energy is known for its focus on high-performance electric scooters and advanced technology. The company's emphasis on R&D and product innovation positions it as a strong competitor. Ola Electric's ability to compete with Ather Energy will depend on its technological advancements and customer acceptance. 3. Ola Electric versus TVS. TVS is a well-established player in the Indian automotive market and has made forays into the electric vehicle segment. The company's experience in the automotive industry and its ability to leverage existing infrastructure provide it with a competitive advantage. Ola Electric's success in this context will depend on its ability to differentiate itself and offer compelling value to customers. Challenges and risks. Ola Electric faces several challenges and risks as it navigates the competitive EV market. Understanding these challenges is crucial for evaluating the company's future prospects. 1. Raw material supply. The availability and cost of raw materials, particularly lithium and cobalt, are significant challenges for Ola Electric. The company must secure a stable supply of these materials to ensure uninterrupted production and maintain competitive pricing. 2. Competition. The Indian EV market is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for market share. Ola Electric must continuously innovate and differentiate itself to stay ahead of competitors. This requires ongoing investment in technology, product development, and customer engagement. 3. Regulatory and policy changes. Changes in government policies and regulations can impact the EV market. Ola Electric must stay abreast of policy developments and adapt its strategies accordingly to navigate regulatory challenges and capitalize on opportunities. 4. Financial sustainability. The company's financial losses raise concerns about its long-term sustainability. Ola Electric must address its financial challenges and work towards achieving profitability to build investor confidence and ensure its continued growth. Conclusion: should you invest in Ola Electric? As Ola Electric prepares for its IPO, potential investors must carefully consider the company's prospects and risks. The Indian EV market offers significant growth opportunities, but the competitive landscape and financial challenges present hurdles that Ola Electric must overcome. Investors should evaluate the following factors before making investment decisions. Market potential. The Indian EV market has substantial growth potential, driven by government support and increasing consumer demand. Ola Electric's ability to capitalize on this potential will be a key determinant of its success. Company strategy. Ola Electric's vertical integration strategy and investments in R&D and manufacturing position it favorably in terms of controlling costs and maintaining quality. However, the company must address challenges related to raw material supply and competition. Financial health. The company's financial losses highlight the need for a clear path to profitability. Investors should assess Ola Electric's plans for achieving financial sustainability and consider whether the company's growth prospects outweigh its current financial challenges. In summary, Ola Electric's IPO is a significant event in the Indian stock market, reflecting the growing interest in the EV sector. While the company faces challenges, its ambitious plans and strategic investments provide a foundation for potential success. Investors should carefully weigh the risks and opportunities before making investment decisions, considering both the broader market dynamics and the specific factors affecting Ola Electric's future.